We need to stop scrolling for a minute and talk about what just happened, because the last few days have completely shifted the timeline for DJI's next big release. For months, we've been surviving on rumors, blurry renders, and wild speculation about the Avata 360. We've been guessing what it might look like and how it might fly, but that phase is officially over. 2 new images just surfaced, and these aren't promotional renders. They're real shots of the drone sitting on a table in the real world. And that's exactly why they matter. Real images mean the design phase is done. What we're seeing here feels final, not experimental. Let's start with the frame. At first glance, it has that familiar DJI DNA, compact proportions, enclosed prop guards, and a matte gray finish. But look closer. The propellers are screwed in, not push-on. Normally, we'd love quick-release props, but screwed-in props mean stability and repeatable flights, which is crucial for 360 footage. Even tiny vibrations can ruin stitching or cause subtle instability in the video. Then there are the vented ducts. They allow heat to escape, but more importantly, they smooth airflow around the drone. Turbulence is the enemy of 360 capture, and DJI is clearly prioritizing smooth, predictable motion over raw speed. This drone isn't built for freestyle FPV stunts. It's a cinematic tool first, and a flyer second. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Avata 360 appears to have a dual lens setup, one facing up, one down, for full spherical capture. But here's the clever part: when you want standard footage, one lens physically rotates to become forward-facing. Most 360 drones force you to reframe everything in post. This one gives you choice mid-air, 360 immersion or traditional camera perspective. The controller reinforces this. The feed shown in the leak looks like a clean standard camera view, not a stitched sphere. So you can fly this like a regular drone when you want, or go immersive when you need. Pricing leaks suggest DJI is positioning this aggressively, affordable by DJI standards, with Fly More bundles ready from launch. These images show a 3-battery charging hub fully stocked, which means mass production is locked. This isn't a prototype, it's ready. And timing is everything. DJI confirmed the RS5 launch for January 15th. DJI doesn't launch products randomly. Once a cycle begins, other products follow quickly. The Avata 360 fits perfectly into this timeline. It's not months away, it's waiting for its moment on the calendar. Even the Osmo Pocket 4 shows similar behavior. Recent leaks look more like official promo footage than spy shots. When DJI leaks start looking like marketing material, you know the decisions are finalized. So, the Avata 360 is real, it's ready, and it's coming soon. If you like updates like this, subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video, because this is the drone we've all been waiting for. If you want, I can also break this down into timestamps for YouTube captions and highlight cuts so it's ready for upload with perfect pacing. That makes it much easier for editing. Do you want me to do that next?